Hi guys, Cindy here. So we got our Lashybox November 2022 in, soft glam box in. So we're going to do an unboxing. I've already done part of my makeup because they didn't have an eyeshadow palette in this. And those thumbnails make me look just so awful. So I thought, well, we'll put a little bit of eye makeup on first. So here we go. I did open it up and peek, but I kind of knew what was in it anyway because an email came. So, but let's look at each one, okay? I'm going to have to put my glasses on if I'm going to read them. Oh, anyway, so we got some setting spray, or I don't know if they gave me that by accident or what. I'm not big into setting spray. It's probably got alcohol in it. I use retinol and stuff. I don't need to dry my skin. I'm probably going to put this, I'm going to see my family, put this in my stash to give to them. But I'm sure it's nice setting spray. Let's see how it smells. I can't really smell, but that doesn't mean nothing. Because someone at work's always complaining about that stuff smelling, and I can't even smell them. Now, the first pair we got, pulling out here, now, this doesn't look super soft glammy to me, but I got a bunch of real short ones last time, and I thought, oh, those are real short, and I did wear them. Pretty much all I wore all month long was from that box, because I'm going to wear them about 4 or 5 days each. And anyway, so this is the first pair. So, and they're, what do they say? What's the name of it? It's called Caramel and 3D Silk Lashes. They look kind of long, but they're probably not that long when you get them on. They're not real thick. This next pair is shorter. It's called Vanilla. They're saying with like a dessert theme. Now these look nice. Says 3D Silk Lashes, which I like Lashybox lashes, okay? And then some Zola lashes. Now these look kind of long too, but they're probably not that bad. These are called Hot Toddy. And these are premium, 3D premium faux mink lashes. It doesn't really say if they're synthetic or silk. It says you can use them up to 30 times. I don't use stuff 30 times. I guess you could if you really wanted to. Keep them clean somehow, some way. A lot of times when I go trying to get the glue off, I tear them up. And so, you know, I'm lucky to get 5, 6 times out of them. But if you're real careful and take care of them, it says you can wear them up to 30 times. And I do like these, but I don't know if I'm going to wear these. Actually, Zola is one of my favorite brands. So... And then we've got another pair of Lashybox. These are called Cinnamon Roll. So they did keep with sort of a food thing. And these are going to be super duper short. I don't know if I'm going to wear these today or not. I don't, you know, I like to wear them and then wear them the whole time and then throw them out. I do need to wear some short ones one day this week because something's going on. So I might put these on, but no one says you got to wear them. You know, I might wear the Zolas, and then when I need to put on the short ones that day, I'll just put on the short ones. Now, what else we got? Ooh, it's a good thing I didn't put on any blush. This says Cream Puff. What else does it say? Natural blush. So I did see this in the box, but I wasn't sure what it was, and I didn't put on any blush, and that's fine. So we'll try this. Let's open it up. So, I'm using my thumbnail. I'm going to do my nails this morning. And I'll probably do this one first, but I'm going to do a nail video. It's just comparing some polishes. I hadn't had the energy to do a lot of 3D, a lot of art, because I just wear them one day. Although I'm going out of town, and I'm not going to have to work or type or anything like that. I'm trying to get that out if you wonder what I'm doing. I'm having problems. Anyway, we'll just tear it up. We'll just tear the box up. The box doesn't have to be perfect. Anyway, keep in mind, have you a knife or some scissors or something. So this is by Rude. I didn't say that. It's called Cream Puff. It's called, let's see, Is this upright? Says, flush your cheeks with sweetness with cream puff natural blushes. You know what this kind of reminds me of? You know, on YouTube, if you've been watching that, they'll have these, like, some kind of cosmetics things. They've got all these pods of round stuff. And, like, I did look up and I forgot the name of the company. It was kind of pricey. I wasn't spending those prices. And then you got a little teeny tiny eyelash adhesive. It's probably not enough in there for nothing. I'm just going to throw it away. Then we got the one that I actually pay extra for. Let's see if this is sticky nicky or not, or if it's nice and loose. Okay, this is good. A few times they were sending me some old stuff. Now I'm going to put this back so I don't mix it up. We're still going to keep using our used. So that was the Lashybox. Now the big question is, what do we want to put on our eyes today? So all I'm doing is, excuse me, squigglies went all over the floor. That's okay, there wasn't that many squigglies in there. I'm just gonna throw this away. So what I'm gonna do today is just go to Walmart, pick up some stuff, and go see my friend and put some little nail stickers on her fingers. So I can go short or I can go long. Oh dear. Let's try these Zolas. I hadn't worn any Zolas in a long time. So let's open those up. Hopefully I'll do a better job opening this package. And I do love Zolas. Let's get our scissors. I'm going to cut off about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. They're all the same size. I know they're too long. It's a good thing you do want to cut some off because these are stuck pretty tight. Okay. These were stuck on pretty tight. You know, like I would have been in trouble if I needed the whole lash. I actually do have some Zolas that I bought from like either a pop-up or something. The thing about the Zolas and those pop-ups and stuff, they show them on the person's eyes and I can't see them. I would prefer seeing it in the box. Okay, so this one here we're going to cut off a little bit. And this one here we're going to cut off, try to cut off the same amount best we can. There. Throw those in the trash. It's not an exact science. I just kind of know how much I have to cut off each time. Let's see if they're sort of the same amount cut off. One might be a little bit more, but I'm not going to go cut any more because I can't remember which one's which. So we're just going to leave well enough alone. And let's put on our adhesive. Oh, we got our little black liner. You don't have to use a liner if like you want more of a natural look without liner. This is an adhesive liner, but I for sure would not just depend on this. Just gives you a little bit extra. There. Put that up. Now, where's our already opened adhesives? Right here. I'm just going to put a little bit on each one. I don't have to wear these 10, 12 hours like I do on work days, so we'll just put on one little line each. Something. Now what I do on work days, I'll do one, I think, boy, is this going to last me all day? And then I'll go put another line on each too. And I might do that today. We'll see. Boy, that's dirty. I just cleaned them all this morning. I do my housework on Saturday mornings. But it's easy to get thumbprints and fingerprints all over them. Okay, that should do it. So, clean up this mess real quick. But no, I like my Lashybox subscription. I don't think, I got grandfathered in on the old price because I was an original customer. If they make me go up to the other price, you know, I'll have to think about it. But I do like it. Typically, you get a little, you know, some little makeup items, and then about 4 sets of lashes. They go, and so, anyway, my glasses are super dirty. Anyway, so, we've talked long enough. These are probably good and dry enough. So, let's see about getting these dudes on. Okay. Hopefully they'll be on good and I don't have to take them off and redo them off the camera. So, and I'm sorry, I'm not going to show you how I'm doing it because I can't see well enough to do it in the camera, okay? And like we've already discussed before, some people put mascara on first. I don't do that. I mean, what's the point of wearing lashes if you're going to have to wear mascara? You know. But nothing's wrong if that's what you want to do. I just don't want to. It's more stuff you got to get off your eyes. And I'm already struggling to get the adhesive off every night. There we go. These had some good adhesive sticking that on there. Typically, it's not that much, which you could tear up your lashes too, so that might not be a real good thing. Now this one here is always hard. I always get it closer to the center of my eye, so we're going to work real hard this time. I'm not doing that. And sometimes I say, good enough, even if it's not perfect. A lot of times, even if I take them off and redo them, they're not any better. So, unless it's like really bad, really off, I just say good enough. So where is my little thing here? So let's see if we can smooth this bottom row out. I used a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm still using the Lashybox little palette they gave us about 2 months ago. I'm almost done with it. The last month's palette was okay, but it was more of an orangey tone, which if you're into, and it's probably okay if you're into warm tones. I just prefer the more neutral, more ashy. So I think that we did an okay job for first time around. Only time. Now let's see what this rouge looks like. Probably they would say, oh, all the young girls are going to use a sponge. I'm not going to. I'm going to use my finger. These are the same girls that go 8 to 10 to 2 weeks without washing their hairs. But then they think, oh, that's nasty. We're going to just use our finger. I wash my hair every day. That's the reason. Anyway, so what I did today to my hair was I was trying to do the midsection that was a little bit orangey, and so I used a L'Oreal 6 UA of 1/4 of a container and tried to get just kind of the shaft, this area that was kind of orange, and been that way a while. And I thought, well, I'm gonna go in and get the roots. Well, then I decided I don't feel like doing tube processing. So what I tried to just go ahead and get the roots. I thought that's okay because right now my hair is damaged at the ends, and so I'm not putting any chemicals at the ends. I'm just like making some toner on a conditioner and blue and purple dye and stuff. But anyway, so I didn't get it all out. You can see, and then when I dried my hair this morning, I put too much something in it, either conditioner or heat protectant spray. It was kind of felt icky, so I had to spray a little dry shampoo. But anyway, you can see some dark brown roots with a little bit of gray. So I don't know if I'm going to do the roots again with a darker shade or just be well enough along, wait a few weeks and do it again. But I got another 1/4 of a box of that, so I might just use the rest of that and then decide what I want to do after that, if I want to do the roots dark or keep them that lighter color. Although I do have, I think that was an 8A, it wasn't a 6A. Now I do have some 5 that I could use, but I just don't know. I do get compliments on my hair. Well, I used to never get. I was spending a ridiculous amount of money on my hair and didn't get no compliments at all. Now I get compliments and I think it looks terrible. But anyway, so where's the box? So don't forget, these is what came in our lashes. Plus the ones I got on. And I'm sorry I got sidetracked. I can't redo this because I've already got my makeup and lashes on. Then we got a setting spray. So if you like setting sprays, there you go. Anyway, my phone's ringing or my sister's trying to call, so I got to get off now. I'll see you guys later, okay?